All right now, tech fans, this probably won't be the most highest quality video that you've ever seen on Tech Tomorrow, especially now with that blaring light back behind me, but everybody's been asking, like, what are you really doing? Well, one of the reasons I haven't been on YouTube as much is I'm in the middle of building my new recording and film studio. So what I thought I'd do is today, I would show you guys that. So let's take a little tour and see what's up. Chances are that if you're upgrading a computer with major parts or you're just building a new computer, you're going to need a legitimate Windows key. And VIP Your CD Key Sales has you covered. And right now the prices are lower than ever and it's simple to buy. You simply go over to their website, choose the Windows software that you want to, put it into your cart, and when you're going to the checkout, you're going to want to enter the code TOT20 and save yourself an additional 25%, making your Windows key not only completely legit, but also really low price. And after a few minutes, you'll get an email and all of your keys will be inside of your inbox. So it's really simple. So if you want to save money and you want a key that you know is guaranteed to work forever, then check out VIP Your CD Key Sales. So starting off, we had to have a new stairway put in the basement, and that is the new stairway. It's looking very, very nice. And this is where you're gonna walk down to my basement where my recording studio is going to be. I'm going all the way to the ground. I'm just gonna take you guys on a pretty good tour around here. As you come down the stairs, you put two rails too, so my crippled butt doesn't fall down the damn stairs. We've got a brand new, that's right, baby, brand new electrical box for everything that's going on around here. And you see all this crazy wiring. Now the crazy wiring is kind of crazy because it does go all on my ceiling, and I haven't put a ceiling in here yet. I'm going to have to put a drop ceiling in here to do it. But this area out here I'm not really too worried about because this is going to be the lobby to the recording studio and the film room. So basically we'll start taking a tour. As you guys can see, everything has been framed up. For you people who live back on the East Coast, you guys will know what this is down here. This is a water system. It looks like a baseboard, but it's actually not a baseboard. What it is that the water that comes in, if any leaks come in, there was a couple of leaks in here. We made it so that the water system takes all the water and runs it around and puts it into our sump pump, which we'll get to, and then out into the normal sewer system. Now, over here to our left, this is the laundry room. It's a mess right now, so don't you comment on my messiness or I'll come find you and kick you because we just moved. So don't give me a hard time about it, but it's a mess, but this will all be blocked off. As you can see, the framework is here. And we've completely done the framework up. So there's going to be a wall. It starts right here. There'll be a door right here going into the laundry room. So your laundry room's completely separated. Now this area out here that we're looking at, this will be, I'm sorry if I'm going too fast for you guys. Sorry, I don't mean to make anybody sick. This is going to be the lobby. It's a pretty large area. It's going to start right here where this starts right here. And it's going to go all the way around. And this whole area out here going into the stairs, sorry if I'm going too fast again, this is all going to be a lobby. All lobby. Now most of the windows in here I've closed up, but I'm going to leave this particular window. It's also pouring down rain. And if you guys were here, you'd actually, I don't know if you can hear it, I'll be quiet for a second. Yeah, you guys can probably hear the water draining into the water system. Just listen. That's crazy. So the water system is definitely working. People in California and on the West Coast are gonna be like, water system? Yeah, okay, because there's really not many basements back there. So it's coming around, the frame comes here. Like I said, this is going to be the door that begins to the recording studio. It starts right here, and then we're going to go in. There's a lot of stuff still in here because we're still moving stuff and figuring out where it's going to go, but it's a large area. Now, the area that we're standing in right now, this particular area, this will be the vocal booth. So the vocal booth will be here. It's going to come out to about right here. Currently there's a drain in the floor, and we're having a complete new floor put in all the way around this entire place. There'll be a new floor. I'll have a wood floor over here. This will be where the control room will be over here. Like I said, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry to move so damn fast. I'm just kind of excited. And it's going to go over here, and you guys can see all this, there'll be that. And then as we go down around the room, on this other side of the room over here, this will be where I have all of the guitar stuff. There will be an open floor in here for band practice. And there'll also be an area over on this part over here where I will be able to do some filming and stuff in different areas. So I'll be able to film here, which will be the guitar amp section. You guys have seen where I've had all my guitar amps. Well, I'm telling you guys right now, you guys ain't seen shit, because I have way more freaking amps than you guys have ever seen. You're probably just gonna go, Elric, you're a little spoiled biatch. And I'm just gonna tell you guys, maybe that's true, but I've been buying all my amps and everything for years. So it's not like I just overnight got them. I really did. Spent forever getting them. So all this will be completely drywalled up. On this part over here, there'll be a ceiling. This part over here will be completely soundproofed up. In fact, this whole room that we're looking at over here will be completely soundproofed up. In the future, I have future plans, and over here, there's actually going to be a bathroom in the laundry room, and there'll be an entrance right here, so that people in the recording studio actually need to use the bathroom, they'll be able to do it. But as you can see, the laundry room at this point is a mess. So for those of you guys who said you wanted a tour and everything, well, I mean, this is what's going on. I'm building my recording and film studios, and I'll also be able to film, I have everything set up for that as well. I'll be able to film in my control booth. Now, if you guys don't know what a control booth is, that's basically where all of my non-amps are going to go. So all of my electronics, my computer, my control surfaces, mixing boards, speakers, all that will go in the control room, and I'll be able to film from there. If you guys have watched videos currently, I've been filming at another place. So let's pause right a second. I'll see you guys in just a second here. That is the studio tour. I don't know where to actually look on this thing, where the camera actually is. This is weird. I never filmed with this, but that is it. That is the studio tour, my friends. I have other videos coming out, obviously. I have another video about it. I'll explain a little bit more about why I haven't been pumping out as many videos as I used to. There's a reason for it. I'm sure many people out there who've been working their butt off for a long time will understand. But I'll see you guys back here on the channel. More things are happening, and I guess I won't be filming them on my iPhone very much. So take it easy, and thanks for watching.